My name is Devan Peters. I'm a controls engineer with APT Manufacturing Solutions. My role is tackling the bigger, harder projects, a lot of the custom projects that we do for industrial manufacturing customers, and also I am lead in training the junior controls engineers to get them up to speed to be able to be at my level in time.
APT Manufacturing is an automation house exclusive with FANUC Robotics. We specialize in packaging and palletizing, high-speed picking, and then robotic welding is the main things that we do with FANUC.
I had a full-time job as a soldier in the military. I was at Fort Sill, Oklahoma getting ready to retire. They have a program in the Army called SFL-TAP, which is Soldier for Life Transition Assistance Program, where they have a lot of agencies that work with soldiers to train them up for a new career outside the military. While they're in the military, the program that I chose was FANUC Robotics Training.
Over the years, we've had to become creative of where we're going to find our talent. One of the things that FANUC has offered for Fort Sill's Army base was a Soldier for Life program. We interviewed 5 military people and we chose Devan. He had 20 years in the military.
When I got in, APT put me through a training regiment twice a quarter. I would go to FANUC headquarters in Rochester Hills and I would take training classes at FANUC. When anyone asked me what classes I had at FANUC, the easier answer for me is what classes I didn't have. I like the challenge when we get a new project that's something different and we gotta figure it out. It's like, how do we make this work? You build something, you make it work, and you sit back and you look at, I did that. That's my baby, and it's going forward to be productive for our customers.